Hey everybody, Brian Wedding, CEO of roofclaim.com. Exciting day here shooting a new commercial with three, which soon to be, and should be to some of you, very recognizable basketball stars, and our first NIL deal with college athletes. We got Nick Boyd, Alijah Martin, Johnell Davis here with me. How's the shoot been going so far, Nick?
Shoot been fun. Just having experience and opportunity to be in front of the big cameras and learn different things and meet new people. It's been a great experience.
Shoot just been fun. I've been nervous a lot, just getting comfortable with people, just getting to know people and just feeling the vibe.
Yeah, it's been a great experience, just having aspirations doing this in the future and already getting a chance to get one under my belt, it's been really good.
Well, we sure appreciate you guys being here and doing this. We love our partnership so far, and we hope it keeps going on forever. I'm really glad that athletes get to see quicker now business deals, because you get to see it's not all puppy dogs and flowers and just money coming in. There's sitting and waiting and hurry up and waiting, and it's, but you get to negotiate for yourself. You get to see stuff. So all of you have aspirations to take it to the next level in basketball. So there's going to be a lot of business involved in that. And I just hope this makes you better and it makes it easier for you, in the next level. And you don't forget roof claim, of course.
This gave us a good experience for being our first time, to be honest.
What's that?
This gave us a good experience for us being our first time. Just y'all giving us good easy rolls and something that we could do. And for the next time we go get even better and keep going. Just having more confidence with it.
Right.
Y'all gave us confidence about just encouraging us to do it and just keep going.
Good. Let's talk a little basketball here, get a little sports in. Let's go through last year real quick. It's easy to go through the losses, isn't it? Because there wasn't that many. Were you guys the best team in America, record-wise?
Yeah.
So how many losses did you have?
3 or 5? No, 4 or 5.
When he lost 3.
You were at 3, right? And 4 put you out of the tournament. But you guys, and what we're all trying to do here, this is business. Not enough people know who Roof Claim is, and not enough people know who Florida Atlantic University is. I mean, this is a hidden gem of a school. We need to work on the basketball facilities. But the football facilities, they're making it state of the art. How many students go there?
I think there's about 30,000 students that go to the university, and probably 10,000 on campus, or a little under 10,000 on campus in housing. So, just this year they had to kick upperclassmen off campus because, the dorms have been too packed, and it's just been growing and growing. And of course, with, like you said, the facilities that football have and us making a good run, definitely gave the university some buzz and some more juice.
Okay, great. So there was 3 losses. I know you came out of the gates, and Florida was a big win. Who was the first loss?
UAB.
No.
Ole Miss. Ole Miss was our first loss at the beginning of the season.
Yeah, first game of the year we lost to Ole Miss.
After that, we went on a 20-game win streak.
20-game win streak.
The UAB broke our streak.
At UAB, because I was at the home game. You guys beat them.
Middle Tennessee.
Yeah.
Middle Tennessee.
And then after that, San Diego.
Went on a run, then we lost to San Diego on the Final Four.
Johnell, do you like winning more, or do you hate losing? Drives you more?
That's a good question. Everybody like winning, but nobody like to see. No, you don't want to lose. It's just like in your heart. Like if you so competitive, you just don't want to lose.
I agree.
You know what it is for me? I expect to win. I hate freaking losing. I just can't stand it, so I don't want to do it, So sometimes I can be the crazy corporate sponsor over there. You might see me stomp on the court this year and yell at a ref, but no, I hate losing. So
You need that energy.
We all hate losing. Nobody, We don't want to see each other's lose. We always want to win. We always want to win. That's our goal, is just to win.
Yeah.
That's all.
Everything.
For real, to be honest.
I'm good.
Well, you've been winning here. You guys have been nailing these commercials. Everybody on social media from yours and ours will start seeing this stuff pop out if they haven't started seeing it already. But you guys got natural. Johnell's killing it here. He really is.
You got me in my comfort zone.
No, yeah, you're a perfectionist. And but let's talk what happened that seemed Cinderella, you know, but you guys were the real deal, and that was going to the Final Four. Yeah. That tournament, who did that start off with?
Oh yeah, first game we played Memphis. Probably the hardest game of the whole tournament. Just getting our feet wet in the tournament for the first time for the university, for ourselves. And I mean, I feel like after we beat Memphis, we got our confidence, and we just did what we did every single day.
Because they were coming off of Houston.
Yeah, I think they beat Houston in the tournament champion.
So they were on a roll.
Blew them out, 20 ball. So
Yeah.
It was definitely a tough contest for us, but we stuck together. I mean, throughout the whole year.
And that game was played where?
In Columbus, Ohio. So yeah.
Ohio.
Is that the biggest crowd you guys had played in front of at that time?
At that time, yeah.
Yeah,
like 25,000, yeah, something like that.
So you move on and you go to where? Madison Square Garden? And who do you beat there? Tennessee?
Tennessee in the first day. Crazy games.
Yeah, and how many people are at a Madison Square Garden? I don't even know.
It was probably sold out 20, 21, 22.
Yeah. So was that the next biggest
Yeah.
you've been?
And energy was crazy in there.
Then we talked yesterday, when you went to the Final Four, how many people?
80s, 90s, 85,
70?
It's really a million because you got the people watching on TV. Really a million because you got the people watching on TV.
It's multi-millions, yeah.
Sure.
But, most of us can't imagine, and you guys got that experience, what it is to look out at whatever the number is, 70, 80,000 people. And we were talking, Nick, you said you didn't really see people.
Can't like,
Don't pay attention to that.
yeah.
Just focus on like trying to control the point.
I mean, like, before the game, you see it all, but like, when we were playing at NRG Stadium in Houston, we were on the stage, the seats were so far back, it was kind of hard to really see anybody in the crowd. I mean, you get to see the first two rows, but when you feel the energy in there, like 8,000 people cheering, and other teams going against you, you hear the fans stand up and get rowdy. So, I mean, man, I don't know. I just think we just so good at blocking out X team. We didn't really realize the type of impact, the type of stage we were playing on until we had a chance to sit back. It was just a blessing.
That's great. I happened to be, I got to meet Dusty when he first really got there, and your program was a lot different. It's not where you guys are on a roll right now, right? You got the energy. You didn't lose anybody to bigger universities taking them. You guys didn't go to the NBA, so you got most of your people back, right? Googled it this morning. Your preseason number 5, so this isn't a joke. What are we going to do this year?
I gotta stay tuned. I gotta stay tuned to what we're gonna do. I think the Philly knows what's gonna go down, but I gotta show y'all.
Coming back home.
Hungry.
That's right.
Always home. Always home.
Well, I think that has a lot to do with your coach. Great guy. So lucky to have him in this program. And we look forward to this partnership. We love it so far. We want to keep it going. And we look forward to some banners coming down this year with you guys. All right. Thank you.